expand namin yung definition ng solo parent. And then expand din yung benefits for them. So yun yung naging major yun. Ano yung mga benefits for them? Nagkaroon tayo ng solo parent booklet. Ano yung booklet? If you are a solo parent with children below 6 years old, you are entitled to a solo parent booklet. Yung booklet na yun can give you entitlement for discount sa diapers, medicines, medicines, and formula milk. So yun lang ang discounts mo. Limited to those only. And only for solo parents na below, na may anak below 6 years old. Wala ito dun sa dating law. Tapos yun nga yung 1,000 per month subsidy na nirereklamo ng maraming local governments. Again, dahil nandito naman yung media, yun ang lagi kong nanawagan sa kanila. Ang definition naman ng ayuda for the solo parents is kung wala silang natatanggap na ibang regular ayuda from the government. Where 4 pays sila, kahit solo parents sila, they're not entitled already to the 1,000.
Whatever, yung cash flow or whatever ng assets sila has to be given as part of the assistance to be given to this yung mga negosyante.
Meron na
Hindi na-implement kasi collateralized din.
Kasi if we have that, if that's really implemented, 8%, that's about trillions yun eh. Pag inoperate mo yung portfolio ng 8% na yun, then ang dami mo mapapautang na mababang interest, hindi ka kapit sa finance.